Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make buttermilk. Dairy swap. All you need is whole or 2% milk and fresh lemon juice or white distilled vinegar. Use milk. Pour the milk into a liquid measuring cup. Add an acid. For every 1 cup of milk, stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. Ready to use. The acid will curdle the milk slightly. Buttermilk on demand.
Take our lead.
Here are several dairy-based buttermilk substitutes. Milk and vinegar. Adding vinegar to milk gives it an acidity similar to that of buttermilk. Milk and lemon juice. Milk and cream of tartar. Lactose-free milk and acid. Sour cream and water or milk. Plain yogurt and water or milk. Plain kefir. Buttermilk powder and water.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When using baking powder, however, take care in substituting buttermilk for regular milk as it upsets the balance of alkali to acid. Buttermilk has more acid than regular milk, which will reduce the carbon dioxide released and thwart the leavening process important to these recipes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
So if you are baking cakes, cupcakes, biscuits, and such and looking for it to be even more similar to real buttermilk, use heavy cream or half heavy cream and half milk so it's just as thick as buttermilk, then add in the vinegar. All will work well in many recipes no matter what type of milk you choose to use.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Can you use milk instead of buttermilk to make fried chicken? If you don't have buttermilk on hand, use milk and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar per cup of milk. This is a great substitute for buttermilk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.